In this video, I will show you how to upload a particular image in a particular folder. Okay, now start. First, we add a one important function. The function is enc type multipart slash from data. Very important function for upload image. Now start upload image code. First include config.php file. php php now if $_post if is set, sorry, set post here we pass this input variable name means upload. Copy this and paste here. Now store every input field value in a particular variable. Name, my method is post, and this name input name is name. Copy this and paste. For email, okay. Now store image. Image name equal to, here we use files. First is image input name is image, and second is image name, which the name is image. And when we upload image, then we store a temporary name. Okay, the temp name v temp name image, and here we write temp name, and after temp name we try to this image save a folder. Then folder equal to, first write which folder I select, means here I write the folder name, and suppose my folder name is upload underscore image slash, and here we pass this image name. Okay, and now create one folder upload underscore image. This is my folder and a new folder. Okay, upload underscore image code. Then move this folder. How to move? Move uploaded file file name is temp name. And next parameter is destination, means folder. Okay. Now SQL query for save the database. SQL equal to insert into my table name. Here sorry, my name is registration and image. Here we see my table name is image. See, and here put image. Name, email, image. Then values, this one is name, second one is email, and third one is passed this folder. Okay. Then one if MySQL query, first parameter is connection and second one is this SQL. Else first we echo data insert or not. Echo data is or data inserted. And copy this. Error. And check image save folder or not. Refresh this page. Name is admin, email is admin.com, and select one image, this image, and open. Okay, data is inserted. First check folder. Yes, data is saved here. Now check the database. Means my last ID is 15. Okay, browse. And 16 admin@gmail.com, and we see this image is saved in database. Thank you for watching.